Hello.
Hi.
That's Alyssa. My name is Dr. David Allen. It's David Allen Wellness. I do things differently because I've been in practice for many years. I have a walker that's right in front of the table, and I'm going to be giving Alyssa an adjustment with my feet. Well, this is not something that you ever want to do on your own. This is for educational purposes, and this should only be done by a licensed chiropractor. Take a little breath in, and exhale all the way out. And as she exhales all the way out, I'm going to get in position. And listen up, everybody. All right. One more time. Exhale. Breath in. Exhale. Okay.
That was good.
Thank you, Alyssa. And thank you for allowing me to adjust you and sharing this video with the
No
public.
problem.
All right. We'll see you later.